Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Overall, a pretty quiet day, a pretty neutral day, very slight upside today, nothing that would force a change in wave count or anything. In fact, we're just playing out the wave count at the moment. We're coming down in our wave 2 correction. We basically already a few days ago here on the 1st of August reached our target range around 1830 for the next move down. We did say initially that we would like to see price get into the region between 1830, that would be the minimum, and 1780. Yes, it can go lower without making us to change the wave count or scenario, but it doesn't need to go any lower. But 1830 to 1780 is currently what I see as ideal target range for Ethereum to finish off this wave 2 correction. So the idea is we are in the wave 2. You know the micro count, we talked about that. We talk about this ABC structure in previous videos. The idea is that we are in the C wave. The C wave is a 5-wave move. It is unfolding as an ending diagonal. We have a wave 1 in 3 waves. We have a wave 2 in 3 waves. We have a wave 3 in 3 waves. We had our wave 4 here. That was the rally that occurred on Wednesday. And the wave 5 in 3 waves seems to be unfolding right now. Small rally today, so far only in 3 waves. What would you expect? And let's put on the chart the resistance level. Standard Fibonacci resistance for this B wave of wave 5. It goes all the way up to 1867. That is not a problem. That's purely what you would expect in a ending diagonal in which we're coming down in the wave 5, because the wave 5 is a 3-wave move. I think I mentioned it in the previous video. I said, okay, maybe the B wave was already in, but it wouldn't be a problem if it goes a little bit higher. Actually, if we go a little higher here to 1850 to 1867, it would at least give us some clarity that this here was probably the B wave, and then one more low could finish off the whole thing. Bear in mind, the C wave will also have 5 waves, okay? Unless it's a diagonal. No, even as a diagonal it would have. So I don't want to make it more complex, and at some point more micro counting doesn't give you any more clarity. Just be aware of that. But I have put on the resistance for this B wave rally. Is another wave count possible? Yes, I think I showed you that in a previous video. It's pretty much in line with the alternative wave count for Bitcoin as well, where we're saying, okay, we didn't come down in an ABC structure, but it's actually a WXY structure, where we're now in the Y wave. And in the Y wave, we're dealing with an ABC structure where off this X wave top, we came down in an, let me just think, A wave, yeah, then rallied in a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. But it doesn't add up very nicely. I think the count that I have as a primary count is more reliable here. I have to say, on the Bitcoin chart, this WXY makes more sense. Here I'm not very happy with it, but if we need it, I will let you know. At the moment, I don't think it will add anything to the analysis. In fact, also if we do the WXY structure here, the way I just showed it, it would also lead to another low. So it would just, the only difference would be that we don't necessarily expect just one more low, but 2 more lows, but still it wouldn't change anything here. So at the moment, the key is to be careful, I think, until we really get a bottoming signal. My strategy remains to scale in as we go lower. If we make one more significant low, I will add a bit more to my position. And then whenever we have the first trend reversal signal, which would be a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down, I will add more with a tight stop. At the moment, I leave it lots of space as we go down, and yeah, keep position sizes relevant to the risk. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.